Hello everyone! Today, we proudly introduce our high-temperature infrared energy-saving coating, an eco-friendly energy-saving miracle specially designed for industrial high-temperature equipment. It adopts advanced microcrystalline ceramic technology and remains stable for long periods at extreme temperatures of 800 to 1700 degrees centigrade. The ionic microcrystalline structure enhances wear resistance. It emits high-energy far-infrared radiation, significantly boosting thermal efficiency by 5 to 30% while extending equipment service life by 50 to 100%. Application is extremely simple, brushing or spraying both work perfectly. It is non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it the top choice for energy-saving upgrades of ceramic kilns, steel annealing furnaces, tunnel kilns, and other equipment. Next is the product usage process, which is very simple. A. Prepare materials. Step 1. Prepare the materials. Use a mixer to thoroughly stir the coating until evenly mixed, ensuring a perfect spraying result. B. Pour into spraying equipment. Step 2. Pour the well-mixed coating into professional spraying equipment. C. Spray 2 coats. Step 3. Spray evenly back and forth on the equipment inner wall in 2 coats. Allow sufficient time for the first coat to dry naturally. The second coat focuses on patching any uneven areas from the first coat, ensuring full coverage with no dead spots. Light inspection. Final step. Use strong light to carefully inspect every detail, ensuring no missed spots or uneven areas. Construction completed perfectly. Professional construction quality assurance. Construction completed. Our high-temperature infrared energy-saving coating can be widely used in all types of high-temperature kilns, ceramic kilns, glass melting kilns, steel annealing furnaces, industrial boilers. Most importantly, it helps factory owners easily save 30% on energy. The electricity and gas costs saved in 1 year represent huge savings. Upgrade your kiln now and make energy saving truly happen.